Welcome! In front of me I have POCO Watch and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, then select the duration, and we have 1 hour, no, we have always, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 8 hours, and that's about all. If you select always, the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on and stay on until you disable it. If you select 30 minutes, for example, it will stay on for 30 minutes and then turn itself off automatically. That's why we have the durations. So select the option you like, and once you're done, tap on the check mark, and you will see the message DND is on, and the icon will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you close the quick panel, no, there's no icon on the watch face, because in some cases there is an icon on the watch face, which indicates that the mode is enabled. Anyway, to disable the mode, you simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon, you will see the message DND off, and the icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. But you can also make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, and to do it we need to open the settings. So press the side button to wake up the screen, tap on the settings icon here, or press the side button to open the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, find the option called DND, and once you find it, select it, and here we have normal DND, and if you tap on the switch, it will turn on the mode and turn it off, but we can also enable the schedule. So if you tap on scheduled, it will turn it on, and here we can tap on start and end time to set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on and the time on it should be turning off. And if you tap on start, you can set the time on which it should be turning on by swiping up and down on the screen. So select the time you like. I'm gonna set it to something like 10:30, I guess. Okay, and then end time to something like maybe 6:30, so quite early. Okay, and now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6:30 a.m. And of course, once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.